Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today is the last lesson of the first chapter of the grammar course. We are going to learn everything about il y a. There is, there, and ago. On the book we are going to go from page 89 to 90. It's only 2 pages. Very quick, very easy. So the first thing to know about il y a is that it's always going to be singular masculine and it will never change. So it's never going to be plural, it's never going to be feminine, it's never going to be like that. The only thing that can change is that the a, which is the verb avoir here, conjugated in the present tense, a can be conjugated in other tenses, just like in English. In English you have there was, well, il y avait, imparfait, or if you want to say there will be, futur, il y aura. Il y aura. For the pronunciation, if you remember the pronunciation course, the Y in this case is a rolling E. So it's like the beginning of your yes. Y. Okay? Il y aura. But today we're going to focus on il y a. Okay? So as I said, it means there is, there. It's used exactly the same way as in English. So let's see a few examples. If you look at the feminine after il y a, we have il y a une voiture devant la maison. Il y a une voiture devant la maison. So there's a car in front of the house. Same structure. Il y a deux voitures devant la maison. Il y a deux voitures devant la maison. Or, il y a des voitures devant la maison. Il y a des voitures devant la maison. So here, as you can see, when it's followed by feminine singular for the first one, feminine plural for the second one, and also feminine plural for the last one, il y a doesn't change. That's very important, never changes. Now if you look at masculine one, il y a un chien dans le jardin. Il y a un chien dans le jardin. Plural, il y a trois chiens dans le jardin. Il y a trois chiens dans le jardin. Or, il y a des chiens dans le jardin. Il y a des chiens dans le jardin. In the singular or in the plural, il y a doesn't change. Now, if you look at il y a in a negative sentence, we just saw in the lesson before this one about negation and negation followed by an article. In this case, when il y a is followed by an article and that the sentence is negative, the articles are going to change to de or des apostrophe, depending if the following noun starts with a voyelle or a silent H. Il, an apostrophe, I, a, pas, de or des apostrophe. Il n'y a pas de. And here, I told you that the negation is always around the verb. In this case, it also includes the pronoun y. We are going to see that very soon, but the pronouns are always going to be included in the negation. Il n'y a pas de voiture devant la maison. Il n'y a pas de voiture devant la maison. Or, il n'y a pas de chien dans le jardin. Il n'y a pas de chien dans le jardin. That formally means there is, there are. Now, the other translation that I told you at the beginning is ago. Il y a means ago. And obviously, it's when we talk about time, once again, just like in English. Let's see two sentences you will understand. Je suis arrivé il y a une heure. Je suis arrivé il y a une heure. I arrived an hour ago. The difference here is that ago for you in English is going to be after the noun. For us is before the article and the noun. Il y a une heure. Another one. Ils se sont parlé il y a quelque temps. Ils se sont parlé il y a quelque temps. That's it for this one. That was fairly easy. When you are done with this one, you can do the exercise 1.43. But that's not it. This is the end of the first chapter, so it includes the review of the first chapter of the 13 lessons that we just saw. After exercise 1.43, you are going to go and do the review from 1.44 to 1.50. So by now, you should be able to build a simple sentence. Starting in the next lesson, or tomorrow, depending when you watch this video, we are going to start the chapter about preposition. And this is a big one because it confuses so many French learners. But you will see once it's explained, fairly easy. So I will see you tomorrow. À demain.